Peace world. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Tiger's Eye crystal. So Tiger's Eye is a beautiful stone. I'm going to show you some of the favorite pieces that I have on hand so you can get an idea and feel for this crystal. As you can see, it has a really nice glare luster to it, and it has some darker tones of brown that are embedded and mixed with some beautiful golden hues that shine very bright like the sun. It's kind of funny because when you think of this stone, it's going to bring you to the mind of Leo, and Leo is ruled by the sun, and it has this beautiful intensity to it. These are some of my beautiful pieces that I have on hand. I love them because each piece of these stones that you come across are going to be very uniquely different. You can see this one even has like some black in it as well, and some reddish looking hues. But I love working with this crystal, and I'm gonna read to you from one of my favorite books about what they have to say about this stone. This book is called The Book of Stones by Robert Simmons, and they have some keywords listed as balance between extremes, which you can kind of see in what I was showing you, how it has those darker hues alongside the golden rays that are just shining out like the sun. And then it helps with discernment, vitality, strength, practicality, fairness. Fire and earth are the elements, and the chakras that it helps with are the solar plexus, the sexual/creative, and the root chakra. And then I just want to share with you my personal experience of working with Tiger's Eye. So I like to work with Tiger's Eye. I'm actually working with it right now. I'm giving you a sneak peek of one of my latest designs. This will definitely be a beautiful statement piece that's worn as a choker, or even a necklace that's extended a little lower. It even goes beautiful with like what I have on now, as well as a nice bracelet. And who knows, maybe some other cool creative things can go with this Tiger's Eye, such as like a headpiece. But yeah, I enjoy working with this stone so much. I've worked with it a lot, especially at the beginning of my crystal, copper, jewelry making career journey. I worked with it a lot for the very reasons that we heard about it being beneficial in this book. The stone, definitely helped me with having that Tiger's Eye, having focus, and also developing discernment to make the right decisions for my journey, for my business. And it also helped me to manifest. But that manifestation came from the visualization that this stone helps with. So pairing the visualization with the discernment to make the right actions was a perfect recipe for manifestations. So yeah, those are some of the reasons why I worked with Tiger's Eye. And another reason why I think it would be great for people to incorporate in their journey of just collecting crystals and wearing different ones and having them in your everyday life. It helps you to work with sexual energy, to transmute it and put it out into the world in a higher nature rather than just using it for your lower natures. So it allows you to channel that energy basically from your root, bringing it up to the crown chakra, and so that it's pairing with your visualization of the things that you want, the things that you want to see for your life, and allowing you to make them tangible in your hands. So yeah, Tiger's Eye is a beautiful stone for that. You guys should definitely incorporate it in your set, your jewelry set, and as well as just a crystal that you might collect for yourself. And be on the lookout for the tiger's eye piece that I'm going to be dropping. Like I said, it's such a beautiful piece. So be on the lookout for that. I will be making more than one. And yeah, that's all I have to say about tiger's eye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay connected with me on all platforms. I am on YouTube, EarthAngelHeals. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. On Facebook, my name is Angel Marie. So stay connected with me and be on the lookout for when the tiger's eye drops, and share this video with people that you want to have more knowledge about how they can use earth elements to empower themselves and to use on their daily journey of this thing called life. So peace out, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Share it, like it, comment, let me know your thoughts. One more thing I wanted to add. If you're looking to get tiger's eye from me right now, I do have these beaded bracelets available. They are beaded tiger's eye bracelets, and they're 8 millimeters. Easy to slip on, double up. And if you want something with copper, which is so important, so powerful, and strong and good for us to wear on our skin, I have a bracelet in this style. This is my chakra beaded bracelet, but I have one that has tiger's eye in it, which you can find on my website as well as my Etsy. And that one looks just like this. And it's a really nice style bracelet to wear. All handcrafted, 100%. I make this bracelet from scratch. So yeah. If you're looking to get some tiger's eye and you liked what you heard about tiger's eye and want to test it out, try it out on your own journey for yourself, check it out. I have it available, and it's free shipping. So thank you guys.